Indiana beer reviews special video. Kona Brewing Company Big Wave Golden Ale. This was introduced in, I believe, 1995. I could be wrong. I looked it up. It said February 1995, sometime in there. And this was introduced in 1995 by the Kona Brewing Company in Fairfield, California. This is coming in at only 4.4% ABV. It's a golden ale. But apparently they have like 5 or 6 different breweries, because here it says brewed by the Kona Brewing Company. Fairfield, California, Fort Collins, Colorado, Cartersville, Georgia, Portsmouth, NH, is that New Hampshire? I don't know where that's North something. Merrimack, I don't know my abbreviations for the states, so sorry. Portland, Oregon. See bottom for canned on date. Maholo for drinking responsibly. Maholo for recycling. So I don't know what that means, but this was actually canned on the March 8th of 2023, and it's already June 2024, so it's been here since over 15 months, or a year and 3 months. So yeah, oh sorry, I'm just looking for my cup over here, my Mason cup. But yeah, I believe this is an old styled can. But first I'm just gonna open this and I'll explain why. And it's all splurging out. Oh my goodness. That was a close call. I just hope it's still good, because it's 15 months. It was stored cold though, so. But at the same time, I don't know. Okay, as you can see, it's got a clearish, golden, yellow, ale looking color. And a very soapy, spongy monster's head. Almost looks like IPA, but it's a golden ale, and it's only 4.4%. And I'm guessing this barely has any IBUs, but yeah. Gonna let that set a little bit. And I'm gonna show you guys the new can that I got a long time ago. Well, not a long time ago, like 3 months ago, and then this can I just got. As you can see, this has way more detail than this can, I believe. But I believe this is the older can. I just feel like it's older. I don't know why. And was this November 27, 2023. So yeah, this is like This is like 8 months newer than this can. It almost smells like an ale, like a golden IPA. Getting some tropical notes. Passion fruit, pineapple, maybe guava, papaya, something like that. I don't know. Golden, almost looks like a lager. I'm getting some oat smell too. It's got people on a boat. And this can does as well. But it's not as detailed, and it's just yellow. Okay, enough waiting. Let's go for the taste now. Taste test. toasted grains with no bitterness, really, and just tropical notes. If this can is old, it doesn't taste bad for the date. Sorry, this chair just slipped. 25 fluid ounce can. Kona Brewing Company has like a lizard as their logo. I don't know. And this one just has flowers, but the wave looks more detailed. Sorry, I'm showing the can so much. Other taste. Toasted grains, tropical notes to almost tastes like a light, very light IPA. It's weird to me anyway. It's because I'm used to drinking a lot of IPAs, but the last time I tried this, I only tried it once. I feel like this one tastes a little different, but I feel like it's just because it's older. This one says premium beer on it. This one does not. But they both say liquid aloha, and they both have the same text on here. So yeah. Gonna go for another drink and then rate this and get on out of here. As you can see, it's got some decent lacing, nothing crazy. And the head's retaining, that's a good sign that they use good ingredients. Yeah, let's go for another taste. Now I'm gonna rate this. Okay, I'm gonna give this out of 100 for the price. It was $2.99 for a 25 ounce can. It's not horrible. It's not a very strong ABV beer, but the taste is not bad. As you can see, some nice lacing and head, which is a good key sign ingredient to tell if you have good ingredients in your beer. But yeah, I'm gonna give this a 94 out of 100. I like it. Maybe not 94, probably a 92. But yeah, I'm gonna end this here, and I'm gonna suggest you guys go down to Fairfield, California, and have a Kona Brewing Company brewery tour, or suggest to.